Satnam, welcome to day 34, and today we're doing a meditation to get us into a stable state no matter the circumstances. And this is a very good one because it makes our mind sharp. It's really good when we feel confused, when we really don't know what's happening, when our mind is running left and right and you just all over the place. It's a good one, brings the focus in, but it really brings that with sharpness. So let's get going, let's tune in, and let's explore this meditation today. Bring the hands into the sternum and inhale and exhale. Inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale and make an intention to stay stable throughout the whole practice today. Alright, let's stretch the left leg out, right leg in, inhaling up and come forward, grabbing the toe. Inhale up, exhale forward. So opening the lower spine, stretching the side, and really opening the hamstring. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, come forward. And let's reverse. Right leg out, left leg in. Inhale up and stretch. And come forward. And inhale up, exhale up. Inhale, stretch the spine. Exhale, come forward. And inhale. Bring the feet together. Open knees. And we're going to just gently go up and down here, opening up further. It's a very good one if you're sitting in front of a computer all the time. It literally stretches the light nerve and the tendons, so it's very, very good to get some energy going. Even if you're on a chair, you can do this, doesn't matter. As long as you find a place to sit down and open up. And bring the feet crossed. Holding on to your knees, we're going to start rotating. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. Really grinding the rib cage, opening up and massaging your internal organs. Called the Sufis grind. It's a very beneficial movement as it gently massages the liver, the kidneys, and it's known for its detoxifying effects. So So squeezes out the toxins and gets the body full of energy. And let's reverse. And come to center. Now you're gonna inhale the shoulders up to the ears and drop them down. And speed up. Inhale, exhale down. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Last time, inhale and hold. Exhale. Well done. So this can be done anywhere. You can be sitting anywhere, doesn't matter, on a chair, on the floor, on pillows, at your desk. You need that extra focus coming together. This is one you can do no matter where. The left hand's gonna come kind of as if you're reading a book, and the right hand, the index finger and the middle finger, are gonna be used to massage the left hand. So what we'll do is we literally are gonna walk the two fingers, index finger and middle finger, across the palm, all the way. So from the base, you walk and walk and walk, and then you're gonna go over the middle finger and the ring finger, and they can give in. So a little bit of a bend is okay to happen. So you reach to the top of the fingers, and then you start going back. So literally letting the hand in front of you, and as if you're massaging very important points of that palm. So starting from the base, walking the two fingers across the palm, all the way and all the way, and middle finger and ring finger of the left. And once you reach the top, you start coming back down. It's very soothing, but it also stimulates the brain. So gives us that mental focus and brings confusion into clarity and capacity really to handle any situation. So closing the eyes, just enjoy this feeling of sensations across the palm and the fingers. Just keep walking the fingers up and down the palm. and relax. Take a few breaths just consolidate. And inhale. And let's tune out, rubbing the hands together. And let's inhale and exhale. And inhale to begin. Nam Sat Nam Sat Nam Sat Nam. I hope your confusion has dissolved, and I hope you feel much more centered and focused for today. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Sat Nam.